niyakhumbula xa kususwa uNational Commissioner uFani Masemula kuzabekwa uLieutenant General Dimpane. Ndathi xa ndisenza ivideo ndathi ingabe singamthemba yini ngoba kwayena I had my concern at the time into yoba kwaloku yena ngulo beke ngu-CFO imali eziphansi kwalo mcimbi wethenda kaVusi Music Mahlala ziphuma under her watch. How is it that bafuna ukuprosecutor uNational Commissioner uFani Masemula bese bayiyeke yena umuntu imali eziphume under iwatch yakhe? Daba nazo bafethu izinto endaziveza apha bafethu she's currently under scrutiny ezinto namhlanje kuzi-3 zika-August 2026 nje bafowethu kuvela ama-concern. Into yakhona niqale ukuyibona apha kwi-Sunday World into eveza yena uDimpane lo njengomuntu owa-opposwa xa kumele into yoba kubuye oGeneral Dumisani Khumalo. oGeneral Dumisani Khumalo andithi beyenzelwe elayele nqe malunga nala case kaMukwele hayi kwayaphiphi kuthiwe maku-upliftwe even i-temporary transfer because baya batransfera kwezinye indawo kwezinye i-units okanye i-departments. Kuthe xa kumele into yoba emva kwethuyela kwathiwa hayi mani uphathekile bafowethu uLieutenant General Phathekile utata obeke yi-Provincial Commissioner yase-Western Cape uritayile ngoku kwathiwa yena makenze i-internal investigation. Bafethu wayenza i-internal investigation wabuya nento ethi hayi mani ayiphathekile case yoGeneral Dumisani Khumalo. Kuthiwa bafowethu yena kanye lona uLieutenant General Dimpane ngizazifaka abafowethu into zakhona just nje uba ndiniziflight ngoba ndifuna ukubuza into endingayazi niyandazi futhi nani. Yakhona into ethi wa-oppose yena wathi it doesn't mean that xa uLieutenant General Phathekile ebuya nento ethi ayiphathekile lento yoGeneral Dumisani Khumalo kumele nje iphelelwe lapho. Instead kungamane kuze kuyofunwe i-independent investigator. Bafowethu kwaba ngathi kuthiwa kwabe kuwayimela lo nto leyo. So right now indenza into yoba ndibe very concerned into yoba enhleki ibe yena ukweyiphi camp apha esipoliseni ngoba uvela nje ngomuntu owa-oppozana nalo nto leyo. Hayi ke wayihlale lapho uLieutenant General Phathekile into yoba according to yena nansi report yakhona. Report leyo wayengafuni into yoba mayamkelwe ncama. Hayi ke kuthe kambeni kwethuba even i-HR ne-legal department zakwa-SAPS zaveza into ethi hayi bafowethu le nto lena ayikho enye into engabe nyani engenziwa ukwegqitha lena. Wa-insista into yoba kufuneka into yoba kufunwe i-independent investigator ezo-investigator General Dumisani Khumalo because of into yoba ke i-gravity yayo yonke le nto including into yoba i-public interest nayo bikhona apho. Wazama ukuveza into engathi ifana naleyo. So okwangoku but ke I stand to be corrected enye sizayibona ixesha xa liyalihamba undenza uba ndibe nexhala bafowethu into yoba uyena umephi enhleki uLieutenant General Dimpane. Phofu ke beke busy naye shem evela since kubusy ku-appointwana bafethu nama-provincial commissioner wethu amatsha. 5 provinces bafowethu sinama-provincial commissioner amatsha but ke i-video pertaining that eyodwa separate ndizawuyenza bafowethu into yoba ngoba no-provincial commissioner abatsha aba-appointiwe kwi-province eziyi-5 which is iLimpopo, iMpumalanga, i-Northwest, i-Western Cape plus which other iMpumalanga as well. But ke that one nizawuyalela just have to cover it separately. Hey bafowethu siyazi yawuthini into yakhe nje she's currently under scrutiny as banaye evela njengomuntu ingathi beke against oGeneral Dumisani Khumalo bethu omdunga bethu bafowethu.